I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honeysuckle cookies. First, ensure your honeysuckle petals are clean and dry. About 1 cup is ideal. Next, gather your dry ingredients. 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For wet ingredients, you'll need 2 sticks of softened, unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the 2 sticks of softened, unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes with an electric mixer. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. With your dough ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Gently fold the 1 cup of cleaned honeysuckle petals into the cookie dough. Be careful not to crush the delicate petals. Once the petals are incorporated, cover the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for preventing the cookies from spreading too much during baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto a baking sheet and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let your delicious honeysuckle cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set and prevents breakage. For optimal freshness, store the cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. They are perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.